All right, guys, moment of truth. First start up with the crank pulley stage 2 tune from Velocity AP. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so happy to have her back. Oh, I love it. Hey guys, so great news. Part 2 of the install. Velocity AP sent me a belt that was from their previous batch. It's, I guess, a Hutchison belt made in France, high quality rubber. Took 10 minutes to install. So it was longer and the rubber was a lot more malleable. The belt was also slightly thinner. So yeah, it's on, everything's 100%. I'm super happy. Get the, actually, I'm gonna get the tray back on, get all the under button up, get the car off the stands, and then I'm not the tallest guy in the world. Once the car is back on the ground, get the Y pipe there from the intake back on. So yeah, very straightforward. The rest, guys, like I said, part 2, really not complicated. Once it's back on the ground, we're going to connect a trickle charger because I haven't driven the car, I think, in 2 weeks, maybe more. Get it hooked up, flash the tune. So got the Velocity AP tuner right here. It connects. Get that, hook it up, flash the stage 2 tune for the overdrive crank. And then, guys, we're taking it for a spin. It's beautiful out right now. And yeah, I'm going to obviously keep you guys posted once I get this buttoned up. And we're going to do some in-car footage. Maybe we'll get some more supercharger wine. I don't know. We're spinning that supercharger a bit faster. Believe it or not, the BMC filters did add a little bit to the wine. So guys, just a little info on the belt install, okay? What you do is you route the belt on the crank first. Then you bring it up. You get it slightly over the tensioner. If you're working from the bottom, we're 2 guys to put on the belt. I was slacking the tensioner from underneath the car and then pushing the belt over the tensioner, while my buddy was on top of the car and pulling and pushing as hard as he could to get it over the supercharger pulley and the idler pulley just to the passenger side of it, which is just below in terms of height on the passenger side. With the new belt that was provided, this process took about 8 minutes. So it was, a little bit of force was required, I have to say, for pulling it over the pulleys on the top. Really had to pull, but yeah, it took about 6-8 minutes max. So that's great. Getting the under tray button up now, everything on the underside. Gonna get the car down, put the intake on, the Y pipe of the intake. Double check everything, guys, very important. And obviously tune the car. Got the tuner right here, already uploaded the stage 2 tune. That was amazing. Chris from Velocity had it back to me in less than 24 hours, as I said in my previous video. So get that flashed on there and start the car. Make sure everything's spinning nice and free, and then we're taking it for a rip. I'm super excited, guys. Should have added 35 to 40 horsepower. I'm very excited to see what that feels like on the highway. Just so you guys know, I double checked that the belt was properly seated over all the ribs, that everything was aligned. I triple checked from the bottom and from the top. That's why I'm not worried when I start the motor if there's going to be any issues, but I'm still going to check. I'm leaving the hood up, and I'm going to start the motor, and I'm still going to check from the top with a light to see everything is 100% here. This car has more bolts in the under tray than in the Aventador. That's completely smooth from front to back. This is absolutely insane. I think they could have made this, you know, all one piece, but what are you gonna do? Okay, guys, let's button up. Good stuff. Great. Done. There we go. Here, let's put this right here. There we go. Let's adjust this. Perfect. It's on 100%, guys. Alignment is perfect. Bird's eye view here. Superb. Okay, so get this Wi-Fi on. Per Velocity AP's recommendation, have the trickle charger on the car to keep, let's say, constant voltage. Guys, this is a 2017. The beauty of a 2017, you could still use the supplied handheld tuner from Velocity. And what do? You go in here, you plug it to the ODB2 port, boom. And we should be getting something here. OS is loading. Okay, we want tuning. That's what we want. We want more power. Continue with writing of the file. Yes. Okay, we want the VAP stage 2, and we could do it with SS off. I don't know what SS off means. Start stop function? I always turn it off anyways. Let's not fuck with start stop. Let's just do VAP stage 2. Let's go ahead. And what do we want to do? Okay, let's turn the radio off. Audio off. Perfect. And go okay. And now, whole bunch of lights. We're gonna get all the Christmas tree stability control. We're gonna a whole bunch of warning lights. That's all normal, guys. It's writing the tune. Another thing you should know is that once the tune file is loaded, and the first time, the second time, even the fourth time you start up your car, you're gonna get a check engine light. It's normal. It's just the motor. And it's just the motor. It's just the ECU kind of relearning things. I don't know I don't know exactly what goes on, but it's completely normal. You know, Velocity, I think they even write it in their instructions. So there it is, guys. File to write. It's writing, erasing flash memory. So as you can see, VAP stage 2. Now we're going to take a break and get a bottle of water. We'll take our time, and in a couple minutes check back in with you guys. Writing complete. Switch ignition off and disconnect. Ignition off. Ignition is off, and disconnect. There we go. And if you want to double check what's going on, you go here to information. And then you see here, it says file in ECU, VAP stage 2. Yeah, we've unleashed the power, guys. Can I disconnect this? That's it. Perfect. All right, guys, moment of truth. First start up with the crank pulley stage 2 tune from Velocity AP. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so happy to have her back. Oh, I love it. I love it. Everything is spinning nice and smooth. Just checking for anything that could be wrong. Just checking. You know, when you're working on a car, guys, you just always want to be sure that everything's 100%. So I know that that's back in place. I know that everything's back in place. The intake, everything's nice and snug. That belt, everything is purring, guys. Everything is purring. You just want to, you know, check for any strange noises. Are there any leaks? Is there anything, you know, that's kind of out of whack here? Everything looks good. Everything's nice and tight. Everything's back to normal. Okay. Everything's good here. Hose, everything. Okay, great. So guys, as you could see, job is done. If it were for the correct belt, it would have been done on the Saturday. So, you know, guys, but you know, that is modifying cars. You never know what's gonna happen. You know, from the crank bolts to the belt to me being an idiot and not even really tightening too much, just tightening where, I guess, who knows. Yeah, till that happened. But that's life. I mean, that's nothing compared to what some guys do when they do these crazy builds. It must be 100 times more frustrating. So you got to know that if you're getting into aftermarket, if you want more power, there's going to be money involved, there's going to be time involved, you're going to have to be patient, guys. So until we hit the streets, have a great night, have a great day wherever you are. Thanks, guys. Take care.